What's up guys, this is Raf and Happy New Year. For my first video in 2024, we'll be unboxing this iPhone 15. So I purchased it on Power Mac, one of the Apple retailers here in the Philippines, and this the black 128GB version. It's priced around 62,000 pesos, which equivalent to 1,100 USD dollars, which kinda overpriced. Maybe because of the inflation or taxes. But anyway, let's try to unbox this now. Alright, so let's try to remove here this box and get the iPhone 15. Okay, so here it is, the iPhone 15 in black color. So let's get it now. It's actually a matte black here, and this color really looks good and amazing, to be honest. If you see it personally, it's much better here, and even on its sides it is matte black, and it's probably one of the best color that I've ever seen in an iPhone, to be honest. It's actually better than the red that I got in iPhone 11. So comparing this to the iPhone 11 Pro here, so you see the difference. The camera actually much bigger here, and the matte black color is really great. So for the accessories here, we have a braided USB Type-C, which is great, and thank you EU. And also we have some paperwork here like warranty cards, welcome guides, etc., some SIM ejector tool, and also of course the last thing, the Apple sticker. Alright, so let's try to remove its display sticker here in order for us to set up this phone. And damn, this iPhone 15 is actually really looks great here. It has much smaller bezel, and this is the first time in a baseline iPhone that we will have a dynamic island. So let's try to turn this on. Alright, so it's already booted up, and as you can see here, the bezels are really improved here. It's much smaller here, and there's no notch at all. So we already have here the dynamic island, which is really improves here the real estate here of the display of the iPhone. So let's try to set this up first. Alright, so already set this up, and first impression here, the baseline iPhone 15 really improves here, especially on the display part. It's much more brighter, it's more color accurate, the bezels are small, there are no notch at all, and it's already dynamic island. The only down part here is that it's only 60Hz, but the screen quality, to be honest, almost like Samsung level. For the performance, it's still fast and fluid, just like what we expect because it's an iPhone. But no worries, I'll be reviewing it more and releasing another video for the full review for the iPhone 15. So that is my unboxing and first impression here for the iPhone 15. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.